Harbison. We just started Angry Pete's Pizza out here in San Diego, doing Detroit style pizza. I actually started the business name because my old nickname when I lived in OB was Angry Pete. Everyone around town just called me Angry or Angry Pete, and the nickname kind of stuck. So the logo here, I was looking for a cool logo, something that had some color to it, something that popped but also represented me. So this kind of symbolizes the whole thing, the unofficial Detroit City logo, the official Detroit City flag, and the Scottish lion. I love San Diego. I've been out here for 12 years. The two things I miss about Michigan the most are my family and the food. My family can't move out here, but I can do the food out here. So I started bringing out the Detroit style pizza out here. People are loving it. It's going great. It's really good pizza and no one's really doing it out here. So I've been cooking for 24 years. I started doing pizza back when I was a teenager, and then I moved on and I've done a lot of different things, from sushi, pastries, fine dining, hotels, country clubs, casinos. I've done a lot of different types of food and I enjoy them all, but I really love the Detroit style pizza, and so I've tried to take some of the things that I've learned in other places with other types of cuisine and tried to integrate them into the Detroit style pizza. So for instance, we've done an almost Hawaiian pizza. It's pulled pork and pineapple, so similar to a ham and pineapple, but then we also add pickled red onions, and then we also do red dragon fruit. So it creates a really cool looking pizza, and it also has really nice flavors. The flavors actually work really well together. We've been doing that one with a pomegranate molasses on top instead of like your traditional pizza sauce, and it actually works out really well. We're about a 70% hydration level on our dough. Our cheese blend is a mix of 50% grande mozzarella, 25% Irish white cheddar, and 25% Wisconsin brick cheese. We're using a really good Wisconsin brick cheese from Schulzberg Creamery. They deliver it right out here to us in California, and it's amazing. My favorite part of a good Detroit style pizza is the corner crust. The way you get that crunch, and the way the dough is nice and soft and airy, almost like a little pillow. And then you get to the edge and you get that crunch with that caramelized cheese. That's the absolute best bite. I always save that corner bite for last. Well, everyone does happy hour, so we decided to start doing Angry Hour. It's just a play on happy hour, but we're doing discounted foods. Every slice is $1 off during Angry Hour. We're just bouncing around. We're doing events all over the place. Farmers markets, festivals, breweries. We're just doing lots of different events, so we're always on the move. So best way to find us is Instagram, and it's just Angry Pete's Pizza on Instagram.